Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to go through this dependent drop down to filter Google Sheet table data. So this is our table, and it has data like a car data, car manufacturer, model, year of manufacturing, number of seats it has, and then if it is second hand car, then miles. So let's go through. This is the original Google Sheet table, and then we have one filter sheet which we can use to filter data. For example, I want to fetch data specifically for BMW. Then I select BMW here, and I get only BMW. Now I can actually sort this. If I have hundreds of data, I can sort it by year of manufacturing, and then ascending, descending. Like descending here, I can select it as ascending, and then I can sort by reach, mileage, and it will give 300, 400 and 500. If I do descending, it will do like this. This is interesting, right? So another sheet is there, and this sheet is only populating after we select the make. After we populate the make, this one is let's say the data validation, and it is getting from the calculation sheet V4 to V18. So it has now V4, it's starting, and then V18. It can be actually left like I show you. So if you want to remove, you can remove like this also. So this way, if something is here, you also get that data, new data. So it's unlimited up to the number of rows available in the calculation sheet. So hope you like. And then if you don't have data, then of course you don't get data here in the filter view. But if you select different thing, for example, make BMW model, but no data is coming. It's there. So select different data. Audi, I have only Audi here. Ford, few more data. You can of course number of seats, you can sort it by number of seat, and then ascending to see the ascending order, increasing order. So that's it for this video, and thank you.